Hello, fellow travelers, adventurers, and curious minds. Welcome to Traveling World, your gateway to exploring the world's most fascinating cities. I'm thrilled to embark on this journey with you. On this channel, we're about to embark on an exciting adventure, one that takes us to the heart of some of the most iconic and captivating cities across the globe. From vibrant cultures to stunning landscapes, from historical landmarks to hidden gems, each city has its own story waiting to be told. Now, you might be wondering which cities we'll be exploring together. Get ready to be transported to the enchanting streets of London, the dazzling heights of Dubai, the vibrant energy of New York City, the glamour of Los Angeles, and the captivating charm of Buenos Aires. We'll also delve into the ancient history of Rome, glide along the canals of Venice, marvel at the modern skyline of Kuala Lumpur, experience the luxury of Monaco, and savor the multicultural flavors of Singapore. But that's just the beginning. Our journey doesn't end there. With each video, we'll uncover the unique essence of these cities, explore their hidden treasures, and immerse ourselves in the local culture. So whether you're a seasoned traveler, a dreamer planning your next adventure, or simply curious about the world around you, I invite you to join me on this captivating voyage of discovery. Get ready to explore, learn, and be inspired. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single adventure. I can't wait to share these incredible cities with you.